everyone, welcome to Nutz About Cars. Today I'm doing an unboxing, and I'm going to be completely honest with you. I already bought one of these chargers. It's an eFast 20 amp charger, but it also does trickle charger, and it does the repair charging as well. You know, I fell in love with this thing so much that I have it at one of my storage places that has electricity, and I'm keeping the battery on the Corvette plugged in and charged up over the winter. Now, what I really like about it, it has the ability to do a trickle charge. It's a smart charger, so it also like it knows when to turn off and turn on and shut off. It does the repair, where it pulses current into the battery, like if a battery's been sitting dead for a while. So I used this thing a few times, and I thought it was worthy of doing a unboxing because I wanted to get another one, and I thought I'd do an unboxing and share it with you guys. It's a really nice charger, and I got it on Amazon. It's lightweight, but it's so useful. Or maybe I'm just out of touch with what chargers do these days, but this is a nice charger. So it's an eFast 20 amp, and let's see, what's it say on the side here? It says maximizes battery life, microprocessor controlled, professional automatic switch mode for charging AGM, gel, SLA, and wet batteries, overheat, overcharge, short circuit, and reverse polarity protection. And I don't know, they got a mascot here too, so I don't know what that means, but they have a mascot. So, and let's open up the box and see. I'll show you what's inside. Now, like I said, I already have one of these, and it's amazing. So I wanted to buy another one to keep at home, and I have a really good charger at home, a Schumacher, and it has the jump start feature. This does not have a jump start feature. It doesn't have like the 50 amp, quick jump. But it's what I like about it, though, is that it can actually control the charge where you won't overcook the battery. It'll turn off and on as needed. So it's perfect for a trickle charger. But if you need a little bit more of a boost, it'll also go up to 20 amps. So let's see what's in the box here. So this is the way the box comes. Full intelligent battery charger, and I'm sure this thing comes in multiple languages, and of course the writing is so small that I'm going to need to get out a magnifying glass in order to read it. So yeah, sorry I can't do anything about that, but it's pretty self-explanatory. But there is stuff in here that you can reference. There's some photos and tables for charging. Now let's see what this thing looks like. I can show you guys what it looks like because I already know what it looks like. All right, so it comes with the bag. This is the way the back is. That opens up pretty wide. Shouldn't be a problem for a side post, GM style, and then the normal post batteries. It's kind of nice is they actually have the hoop around wi@gmail.com, and I'll be glad to do it. Thank you. Bye. I gotta tell you guys, this brings back so many memories.